Alright, y'all. It is definitely a matter of minutes after I just made a video of the Royal. I figured we'd go ahead and make a video on the Red Shark, the Navigator. So, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna use it on hard floors and carpet. So, first we're gonna start on the hard floors. Of course, y'all know this is the quiet one. And we're gonna have to turn on the roller brush. That's the part in the garbage truck going up the road. Take the wand. I'm going to come over here and get this. Alright, got all the big stuff up. Looks like the crevice tool from possibly the Eureka Airspeed. Bring this rug up here, this mat. We'll run it over this. Alright, carpet time. And there's the video. Let's go ahead and look at the cup. Oh yeah. I'd say we've collected a good bit for the dirt collection. Let's go ahead and get this packed on down in there. I don't know why they have to make this little separation like right down the middle of this cup, because it makes no sense to me why they do that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get the rest of the stuff in there. Alright, there we go. And of course we made a little bit of a mess doing that, so oh, missed a bit. That's my error. Alright. Well, as some people say, some errors make the best YouTube content. Oh no, mold cricket. No, I'm not gonna vacuum him up because they're no threat to us. Anyway, yeah, tell me how you liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, when I can do it, and if I can do it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content. And until next time, bye y'all.